gonna give it a try. I'm kind of new to this videotaping thing, so I'm messing up.
Gonna be all over them. Yeah! Oh wait.
Oh, that happens too.
Robbie Mueller, manager David Shad. On the point, Mueller, Shad. Next on mat 7. Up on mat 6, Jake Wagner, Rocky Jonathan Surrey from Waukesha North. Wagner, Surrey. Up on mat 6. Up on mat 2. Austin Powers, Verona. Griffin Mollendorf. With Coast Central, Powers, Mollendorf. Up on mat 2.
Here, Wagner.